Are you a broker? Are you looking for a modern and reliable cryptocurrency trading platform? DXTrade Crypto helps you run crypto spot and crypto margin brokerage. Modern design, you're up and running in just a few days. Your own branded apps. Sounds interesting? Dive deeper and explore all we have to offer. DXTrade Crypto exists in 2 versions, web and mobile, and you can seamlessly switch between them. Create personalized layouts using widgets and tabs on our web platform. The interface can be configured by both traders and brokers to provide a smooth trading experience. Traders can work with orders and positions directly from the chart. Synchronize widgets by instrument, leverage information from the economic calendar and newsfeed, and access the trading log straight from the platform. An advanced order entry from Intuitively calculates risk management properties to set up stop loss and take profit controls. In DXTrade Crypto, brokers can enable margin and spot crypto trading for accounts. Users can see the indicative value of their balance in fiat with just one click. Explore the best bid, ask prices, and specific lots in the Market Depth widget. Brokers can configure public watch lists available to all traders, and every trader is free to customize a watch list on their own. All these functions are available in the DXTrade Crypto mobile app on both iOS and Android. Now the branded mobile app of your brokerage can be easily found in the app stores via a unique link. What other perks are available to you if you are a broker using DXTrade Crypto? You can control risks of brokerage operations in the dealer terminal. You can filter and view exposures and profit and loss on group, instrument, and asset levels. Brokers can set limits and modes using profiles on an instrument, group, or account level, or using a combination of each of them. Our management console allows brokers to manage traders' accounts, set commission plans, reward high-volume traders with custom rebates, and monitor all live user sessions. With DXTrade, brokers always have the freedom to tailor the platform to their growth. Need more functionality for integrated marketing campaigns or your own proprietary widget? We'll add it and fine-tune it according to your requirements. We offer low setup costs, and it will only take us a few days to launch the DXTrade Crypto platform. In addition, you'll receive 24/7 tech support and personal account manager guidance. Would you like to diversify your business by becoming a cryptocurrency exchange? The platform can be transformed into it. Use a platform that always keeps up with your business.